Here is how you back up Samsung A13 to Windows or Mac PC. So start by Googling for Samsung Smart Switch, and we want to head to the official Samsung Smart Switch website. Select either the macOS or Microsoft Windows download, and then once the software has downloaded, click on the setup to set up the app. Now open the Smart Switch app on your computer, and then it says connect your device to get started. So the first thing, you must use a cable which supports data transfer. So if the next step doesn't work, swap out your cable. I'm using a premium cable from Amazon. So we connect one end into the phone and then the other end into the computer. We're going to unlock our phone, and then we'll patiently wait for the smart switch to recognize. If nothing's happening here, then I want you to swipe down from the top once, and you see USB here. Tap on the USB, tap again, and make sure that transferring files is selected and not charging phone only. And if we're still having problems, unplug and then replug the device to the computer. It says allow access to data on the phone. Let's allow the data. So now we are connecting to the phone, and we see the smart switch show up. So tap on the more and then select continue. Then tap more and allow these permissions. Smart switch is made by Samsung, so you do not need to worry about your data being stolen. We'll click the retry option, and now the smart switch is connecting to our phone. We have the backup option, but also if we click the triple lines at the right hand side, we can then go into our preferences, and inside of preferences we see the backup folder location. If you had an external storage device connected, you can click on change and then choose your external storage device as where the backup will be stored. So once you're happy, just click on the backup option. So click on backup and it will show us what we can back up, and then click backup. If you're having device recognition issues, you see the option to reinstall device driver, reinstall this driver, restart your phone and computer, make sure your cable supports data transfer, and then we're done.